Hello, this is Jonathan from Paulsbo RV in Kent, Washington. Today I got a 2019 Forest River FR3 30DS. This is probably their most popular floor plan because you're not at the nice length of 30 foot. And look at all this room you got. It's gonna be one of the deepest slides in the industry, biggest dinettes. It's got the bigger fridge, got king size bed, bigger TV, bigger oven. Bigger everything, bigger visibility because of the smaller A-pillars. But yeah, let's go into a little in-depth look at this. Let's start off in the kitchen. And a nice residential size microwave. Quite a bit bigger oven than the typical RV. 3 burner. Another extension. And this is the RV refrigerator here. This runs off electric or gas. Got a pantry on this side. There's a nice room here. Especially if you guys have dogs, like you do. Look how much room is in here. With this slide out, you got plenty of room for dogs. You said you had 4, I think. So yeah, look at all this room. Booth dinette. So here you got a sleeper sofa. It's also a recliner, or not a recliner, but it's a kick out for your feet. So that's kind of nice. Great windows, great visibility. They all open left to right. Good nice draft going through here. You got the drop down bunk overhead right here. Here in the cab we got auto leveling right there. This coaster does have a backup camera and side cameras. So you have good visibility. Here's your thermostat. All right. The restroom. Nice big shower right there. Okay, stepping into the bedroom. Here's your second thermostat. You do have 2 ACs on here, so it's a 50 amp. King size bed like I mentioned previously. Nice window right there. You have windows on each side of the bed. Closets on both sides, plus all the drawers. And another TV. Let's take a quick look outside. You also have a radius roof, 5-inch radius roof, so you actually have a lot more headroom in here. It's really nice. There's a lot more to this motorhome that I would tell you about in person. Another TV, because who doesn't want 3 TVs in their RV? Okay, so the previous owner upgraded the batteries on here. Those are nice 6-volt batteries. Extended camping, deep cycle. Easy to clean. So that's one thing you're gonna find about the Class A is there's gonna be a lot more storage in your Class C motorhome. More storage. So when you're at the campsite, here's your quick connect for barbecue. So you have your barbecue out here. You got your power awning put out, so you can hook up your barbecue to that quick connect right there, and it'll go straight off of the propane source on the rig. Wow. Talk about storage. Main inverter, more storage. Here's your water station, pretty self-explanatory. Also where you dump. We got more storage, and generator and propane. There's your side cameras.